Okay, now I'm gonna introducing our guest here. So as most people know, Orange is a sponsor for this particular meeting, and we had a pleasure to have Anne-Marie and others yesterday. Have a really good chat in terms of what MEF is doing, and hear from Anne-Marie and others really about the vision of Orange, which you will hear that today. So let me just do a quick introduction for Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie has served as a Senior Vice President, Orange Global Solution for Business since February 2022. Since joining Orange in 1992, when she was 2, Anne-Marie has contributed extensively to development of B2B activities, range from product innovation, marketing, and business strategy. Please welcome Anne-Marie.
Thank you very much, Nan. So good morning, everyone. So it's my great pleasure to welcome you in Paris today for this MEF event. This is your first face-to-face meeting since 2019, so it's really great to have so many people here in Paris, the city of lights. So I hope you will enjoy during those days, Paris. And I would say it's a really great pleasure for me to address you today. So you already introduced myself. I wasn't too. I've been working in the market B2B within Orange for 29 years with lots of innovation. And I would say what we are experiencing today, the market evolution, its transformation is really exciting. I've never seen such transformation on our core business, so which is telco, but also on the IT world. Everything is changing, and any companies of this world now needs to be digital. So now, just a few words about Orange Business Services. So this is the B2B branch of the Orange Group. So you will visit on Thursday the headquarters. So I encourage you to see our brand new headquarters of Orange Group. The Orange Business Services is a B2B branch, and we address all the enterprise market in France, so ranging from small to very large or multinational companies. And we address as well multinationals worldwide. To give you an example, we published 2 weeks ago a press release about Siemens. We concluded the full rollout of the SD-WAN and underlay bundling network for Siemens with our partner Cisco. So we covered almost 200 sites in 94 countries. So and by the way, we had the chance to get the people together from Siemens, from Orange Business Services and Cisco in a cruise on the Seine 2 weeks ago, and it was really a great, I would say, moving moment because people hadn't met each other over those past years, and they were able to really make this project together. So now I will briefly present you our vision on Orange Business Services, on network infrastructure, but more, and to address all the business transformation and the challenges that we are facing the next 5 years. And you will see that this vision is really fully leveraging the great work and vision that is currently ongoing at MEF. And you will hear a lot of, we need automation, APIs, press button, end-to-end, of course, on SD-WAN, SASE, cybersecurity. I just forgot to mention a few figures about Orange Business Services. We generated last year 7.8 billion euros of revenue, and we have 28,000 employees across the world. So, and we expanded, our core business is network, or DNA, but we expanded widely on IT, especially on cybersecurity. We are one of the European leaders of cybersecurity, on cloud as well, on IoT and 5G. We launched 5G in France 1 year ago. And last but not least, as well on data analytics. So now let's move on my presentation, and of course I need to press the button. Yes, that was a welcome to Paris. Sorry for that. A nice picture. I hope you will enjoy nice weather in the coming days. So you will enjoy Paris. And let's move about the vision. So I think you already touched on it, Nan. So we all know that today's business is relying on new emerging disruptive technologies that really enable our customers, our B2B customers, enable them innovation and growth. So, and this is really an endless era of evolution and moves. So that's why it's so exciting and challenging as well. And also in our post-COVID world, our customers, our B2B customers, need to manage hybrid way of working that bring really new challenges for them, and new challenges for the infrastructure, for collaboration, and also for security. So that means that their IT teams today, they are required to handle thousands of managed users, machines, more and more, IoT, and applications across the globe. So the adoption of these fast-moving technologies also brings lots of challenges for customers, with high expectation regarding performance, agility, and security. And I would say those three challenges at the same time. So in parallel, as you know, applications are now cloud-based, and as internet is really becoming the standard network, and we see it every day from our customers, the risk of attacks have dramatically increased. So this, of course, requires a scalable and adaptable cloud-based solution, meeting the business requirements of our customers to protect networks, applications, users, and machines. And finally, I would say this is also, one of the most critical items that we hear from our customers, the quality of the end user experience, end-to-end, yes, probably remains one of the most important factors to them. So in a nutshell, for global enterprises, it is really necessary to optimize application performance with consistent end-to-end security and connectivity, regardless of the user's locations. So I will elaborate a bit more, and this is leading us to our customers are now expecting more and more to consume, use our network infrastructure, like say, consume cloud. So over the past 10 years, our customers have progressively begun to transition to cloud, with, of course, an acceleration in the past years. And at Orange, we've adapted our solution from our legacy MPLS VPN foundation to a more hybrid portfolio that has progressively included first cloud connectivity, which we launched in 2013. Then we added internet as part of our, let's say, network infrastructure portfolio as a transport with hybrid configuration. So we started it in 2014. And more recently, we started our SD-WAN journey, starting with Cisco, and we launched our first solution in 2017. So now what we are seeing, we see that our customers will move, of course, 100 of their workload to the clouds with an increasing number of applications and users, and of course, we'll see also the rise of connecting machines and IoT spreading again across the globe. So on our side, we need to really transform completely our network and our network infrastructure solutions to make the infrastructure perform like the cloud, which means delivering agility and flexibility of the infrastructure, elasticity to scale up or down, and the ability for our customers to co-manage the network with portals or APIs. So therefore, we are moving forward to deliver a new infrastructure worldwide which has been designed really to fit these expectations. And we call our solutions a Telco Cloud Platform. So, of course, our Cloud Telco Platform is built on cloud-native technologies, and it completely leverages our Orange Global IP backbone for business, which we have started to fully transform. And thanks to this infrastructure, we will able to provide to our customers, we'll provide our customers with three main benefits. The first one, as already mentioned, is really the ability to connect everything, any user, any machine, everywhere, by providing native global internet approach worldwide, delivering the same trust and the same quality of service as MPLS. This is really a big requirement, with of course additional capabilities, internet coverage, for instance, which will enable our customers to address their growing number of applications hosted in the cloud. Then the second benefit is really to enable our customers to access and manage applications inside the clouds by offering reliable connectivity to the clouds and into the multi-cloud environment to deliver this end-to-end performance that they are requiring to us. The third benefit is to deliver for us, to our customers, an expanded portfolio of on-demand services or on-demand network and security services, such as SD-WAN, such as SASE, work-from-home services, but also corporate application and voice services such as SIP trunk. So I will illustrate a bit more about these on-demand services. So we have started this journey in a twofold approach. First of all, we are not starting from zero. We've been able already to deliver, for instance, for Siemens, our own services hosting our global network for many years with our SD-WAN gateways, which are virtualized and hosted in our global backbone, and also with our remote worker solution, which I can tell you were heavily used during the first lockdowns. Then, in a more open and disruptive manner, we have now expanded our capability to host our partners' best-of-breed cloud-based solutions. So by hosting directly these new services onto our platform, this will allow us to fully answer to our customer needs and provide immediate benefits from service evolution and improvements as soon as they become available from our partners. So, and this is a big request of our customers to get the latest technologies available to them. So, with our partners, we are paving the way to a new relationship through co-development of innovative business models. And we recently announced this new model 2 months ago with Fortinet on SASE solution. So by integrating Fortinet secure-driven networking technologies into the Orange Telco cloud infrastructure, we reinforce security and networking convergence while optimizing performance regardless of the end user's location. So this is a strong innovation, and we believe we want really to continue this journey with more editors and vendors hosting their own application, virtualized application onto our network. And this will enable us to provide to our customers the best value of our partners and of Orange Telco Cloud services, the cloud infrastructure. With global reach, we cover 200 locations, with our business and digital transformation services, and also we provide end-to-end orchestration and integration with all customer services. And also we are able, from the end user to the cloud, to commit on quality of service, so on SLAs, which again is a very strong request of our customers in a very complicated and more complicated, of course, infrastructure. So here now I would like to conclude this keynote by summarizing on how Orange Business Services is supporting our customers on their challenges towards their digital transformation. Because for customers, digital transformations are not just about technology and infrastructure. Just as important is the way in which our customers will undertake such transformations, which are, again, critical to their business. It's vital now, and to ensure that they get the business outcomes or the results they really need. So here we are at Orange Business Services, ideally positioned to support our customers throughout their digital transformation, keeping again their business outcomes, what they want to deliver to their end users and to their business at the heart of any of our customer projects. So to do that, we have consulting teams which are present to the build and run phase and helping each customer, each customer move at the pace that suits their own business. So to give an example, Siemens, it took us, I think, 5 years to roll out, and we did at the pace of the customer. We have rolled out as well SD-WAN for a large bank in France, BNP, and it took us 1 year because the customer wanted to go very fast, transform the SD-WAN and also all the underlay towards fiber and internet. So just to give you 2 examples, we did it at the pace of each of our customers. The second topic is most transformations are really run in a project manner between the customer and Orange Business Services. Again, make sure that we will meet each and every customer desired business outcomes. That's absolutely critical. And the last topic is really, for us, the capacity to orchestrate multi-services for our customers, including, of course, the service delivered by partners, but also the service that our customers are already using. And that's where, by the way, API are so important to integrate the existing situation of any customer and to enable us to ensure an end-to-end view, which is really, again, critical with a more distributed architecture and a solution. So, again, the key of a successful transformation seen from our customers comes from providing end-to-end users with the right user experience. When you think about the rollout of all new collaboration tools, the infrastructure is absolutely key to deliver this end-to-end unmatched end user experience. So to do that, we ensure that all the customers' IT teams are fully involved, right from the start, in the co-management, because this is really a big need of our customer, co-management of their infrastructure. And of course, we are helping them to in the adoption of these new capacities. So here at Orange Business Services, our mission is really to manage the increasing complexity of the infrastructure in a seamless manner that makes this invisible for the end users, and again, to deliver the right performance and quality of service to the business of our customers. And so our commitment is really to optimize the customer experience, the end experience, by providing companies with this right performance and right level of security end-to-end. So we are not completely at the press button solution, but again, we aim to have this. This is a big request of our customer to, again, deliver the right end-user experience. Now, before I leave the floor, I would like again, and just to echo what Kevin already told you in the introduction, that we'll have the opportunity during these days to discuss with, to contact and discuss with Orange experts. And we'll have 2 events that we are hosting. The first one, and you mentioned it, is a dinner cruise on the Seine on Wednesday, and the weather should be nice tomorrow evening. So you will enjoy, I'm sure. And the second one is really to visit on Thursday our new brand group headquarters, which I think is really worth visiting as well, and where you will have as well demo from our Orange experts. So again, I'd like to thank you very much for your attention. And I would like to say again how delighted we are at Orange to host you and to welcome you today and the next days. And again, I'm very excited about the next works of the MEF. I would say it's, I mean, the vision is really, we share completely the vision. And I think it's really important that we move forward together with more automation, end-to-end orchestration, press button would be nice to have. So I think we are really going in the right direction. So thank you again. Thank you for the invitation, and enjoy your event for the next days. Thank you so much.